today how to make these cupcake candles. Hey guys, I typically clean my jars with alcohol wipes before each pour. This will help with any kind of contaminants or anything that could be possibly in the jars. It's a good thing to do with candles, sugar scrubs, anything that you're going to put something into. I'm now using sticky dots to hold my wick into place, as well as using a wick holder to keep everything from shifting. Alright, so I am weighing out my wax. Alright, so now I just have to let it melt. Once it gets to that 175, I will add in my color and fragrance. Alright, let's check our temperature on our wax. And you can see I am at 175. I'm going to turn this off. Add some color. Alright. And then I use the PJ cupcake is what we're using today. Awesome brand. Maybe not cost efficient when it comes to selling candles, but definitely puts out an awesome fragrance. So I've got 2 pounds of wax in there. So I'm going to be putting in 3 ounces of fragrance. And stir vigorously here. Alright, I'm going to let this cool down. I'll warm these up real quick and get them to where the candle doesn't sweat when I pour. It doesn't take much, don't have to keep it in there very long. Alright, let's check our temperature. And we're good. We're below 145. So as long as you're below 145 or at 145, you're good to pour. And pour slow. If you don't pour slow, potentially, your wick will come floating. Ah. All right, I'm not gonna fill all the way to the top just because I'm gonna put little, I call them doot doots. And I wanna show you guys how I do those as well. Basically, it's gonna look like a cupcake. It's gonna look like you're frosting a cupcake, but on a candle. Alright, so we need to get some more wax. That way we can make our whipped topping effect on top of our candle. Alright, turn up just a little bit. Let that melt down. Alright, let's check the temperature again. And we are definitely good. Turn this off. Make sure you never get your wax above 200. That is bad. Adding in fragrance just like we did before. Now, I am going to put it in any kind of plastic container, and I'm going to let it set. So these are completely cooled. So you can now take the wicks off. Cut them. I usually just go right up against it. All right, so my wax has sat. And it'll start looking like, just make sure you see this. It's not completely hard, it's still pliable. And I'm just gonna whip it up like it's, like I'm doing a cake. Got my cake tip in my bag. Fill the piping bag up. You can see this, and then just more in here. All right. Throw some sprinkles on.